Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue while playing the game Borderlands 4. You got an error, an Unreal process has crashed, unhandled exception access violation. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I highly recommend to go ahead and downgrade your GPU drivers. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, go ahead, open up this official website, type in all the details right over here and click on the option Start Search to find the relevant drivers for your GPU. And once the drivers are available, you need to downgrade your drivers to WHL recommended 580.97. Click on the option Get Download and then click on the option Download Now to download the drivers for your GPU. If you have an AMD, open up this official website and write in the search box, type in the name of your GPU. For example, at my end, it is Radeon RX 5500M. Select the GPU and click on the option Start Search. Now click on the option Previous Version to find the older drivers for your GPU. Now expand depending upon the type of Windows you have, and from here you need to download 25.5.1 WHQL recommended drivers. Click on the option Download, save them and install these drivers into your PC, and hopefully the issue will be fixed. And one more thing friends, when you start the game, make sure you do not keep the game idle. As soon as the game is started, at least start moving your cursor left or right or in any direction so that at least the system is not idle while the game is in the starting process. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, first of all, you need to enter into the BIOS menu. And in the BIOS menu, you will find the overclocking options. For example, you may find XMP profile, you may find DOCP or EXPO. Make sure you completely disable depending upon the type of motherboard you have. Make sure you turn off the overclocking of your RAM. After turning off the overclocking, save the changes and then restart your PC. After restarting, you need to download the tool Intel Extreme Utility Tool. Click on the option Download by opening this particular website and save this tool into your PC. Once the tool is downloaded, install it, and then right over here you will find the option of performance core ratio. Whatever the value is, you need to reduce it to at least 3 or 4. For example, if it is 53 right over here, you need to click on this back arrow key to reduce it to 49. After reducing, hit the option Apply. Now after disabling overclocking and reducing the performance core ratio, relaunch your game and the issue will be fixed. Although if this also failed, head over to Settings menu. In the left pane, click on the option System and choose the option Display. Now scroll down and click on the option Graphics. Now right in the graphics settings, you will find an option of Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Go ahead and turn it off. Turn off Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. After turning it off, open up your web browser and you need to download an access mode whose link I'll provide you right in the description of this video. Open this website and first of all log in or register if you haven't registered yet. After registering, log in onto this website, and once you are logged in, you will be able to download it. Now scroll down and right over here you will find the option of manual download. There are two options. If you have disabled VSync, download the first one, or else if you have enabled FreeSync, you need to download the second one. For example, I have disabled the FreeSync, so click on the option manual download to download this file into your PC. Hit the save button to save the changes. Now once the file is saved, you will find a file with the name engine.ini. Now you need to paste this file right into the settings of the Borderlands 4. And to do so, right click on Start menu, choose the option Run. Right in the search box, you need to type in this particular command which I will provide you right in the description of this video. Copy, paste right over here and then hit the enter key. Now right over here, you need to paste this particular file. Copy the file and paste right over here. If it is asking you to replace the file, go ahead and replace the file. After replacing the file, right click, go to its properties and check mark this particular option, read only. Hit apply and OK button. Now go ahead and relaunch the game and the issue of an Unreal process has crashed while playing Borderlands 4 game will be completely fixed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.